Imagine being a surgeon performing surgery where every second counts, yet you constantly have to switch between multiple single-function instruments like graspers, cutters, retractors, and clippers. These frequent instrument changes increase operating time, cost, and risk, impacting both surgeons and patients. In the UK alone, over 10 million surgeries are performed annually with operating cost of approximately £16 per minute. Studies have shown that 20% of total surgical time is spent on instrument exchanges alone. A mere 10% reduction in surgery time could save the NHS over £375 million per year. But more importantly, this increases the chance of the patient making a successful recovery. This is where MandiGrip comes in. Hi, I'm Nasif, the founder of MandiGrip. MandiGrip is a bioinspired multifunctional laparoscopic tool inspired by the powerful mandibles of stag beetles. Stag beetle mandibles have evolved over 1.6 million years to grip, twist, cut, and manipulate their opponent with precision and efficiency, not unlike a surgeon and his tools. We studied these fascinating animals and found what morphological traits gives them better performance in different maneuvers and scenarios. Using these findings, we integrated multiple functions into single surgery-specific instrument, allowing surgeons to choose the right tool for the right job, and grip, cut, twist, and retract seamlessly. By reducing instrument change time, MandiGrip makes surgeries faster, safer, and more cost-effective. Initial mechanical testing showed MandiGrip improving gripping and cutting efficiency by 50% compared to standard instruments. Preliminary feedback from surgeons have also been overwhelmingly positive. We have engaged with over 15 surgeons and multiple NHS procurement teams, securing letters of intent from surgeons eager to adopt and test MandiGrip once regulatory approval is complete. We have also secured £27,000 in funding from business pitch and research grants, showcasing strong market interest in our solution. Our product is manufactured using high-precision SLA 3D printing, allowing rapid, low-cost production at £50 per unit with a target selling price of £100, achieving a 50% profit margin. This makes MandiGrip not only clinically valuable, but also financially viable for hospitals looking to reduce surgical costs while maintaining high-quality patient care. I personally always believe that the real magic happens when research leaves the lab and directly benefits people. To truly create impact, we need to transform ideas into tangible solutions. MandiGrip is exactly that, an innovation designed to improve patient recovery, reduce surgical costs, and enhance procedural efficiency. Becoming an entrepreneur gives me the platform to bring biomimetic surgical innovations to life, ensuring that our research translates into a real-world product that surgeons can rely on and patients can benefit from. In 3 years, I see MandiGrip successfully completing CE and MHRA approval and expanding internationally, securing 501(k) FDA approval. I also plan on forming partnerships with major healthcare providers, both in the UK and abroad. I envision myself leading MandiGrip as CEO, guiding technical innovation and business strategy. I also aim to establish MandiGrip as a pioneer in affordable, bioinspired surgical instrumentation, setting new standards for efficiency and precision. MandiGrip will also focus on social ventures, allowing affordable surgical care to economically disadvantaged communities. This enterprise fellowship would provide me access to invaluable mentorship, funding, and business expertise. As an academic turned entrepreneur, I want to sharpen my commercial acumen, ensuring I can navigate regulatory approvals, financial management, and team building. This fellowship would accelerate MandiGrip's journey to market, ensuring our surgical innovation reaches hospitals and makes a real impact as soon as possible. I believe that entrepreneurship in engineering needs more visibility. Students and researchers should see how their innovations can be commercialized and applied in the real world. By sharing my journey, failures, and successes, I want to mentor promising young engineers, guiding them in patenting, prototyping, and commercialization, helping them to think beyond publications and grants and more towards real-world applications. Thank you for taking the time to learn about MandiGrip and my vision for transforming surgical care. Let's make surgery smarter, faster, and more efficient together.